Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open our browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history right here, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. But if you'd like to remove, let's say, advanced browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data here, and now we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And after tapping on advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So simply tap on this icon and make sure that it is marked. So I would like to remove all of those options, and what's more, you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed all the browsing data. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.